are special. You know why? 30 years ago, you will never see financial events where Filipinos will gather on a Saturday to spend their own money to learn about investing. Yes? We are seeing times change. That's why, this is exciting. You have to understand, we are living at such an amazing time as the economy is moving. It's our responsibility to take part of whatever you're seeing, whatever growth that's happening. Agree? Disagree?
Agree.
Is in trading, you don't have to be in the market all the time. You only have to be there when it counts the most. You only have to be there when buy signals start to emerge. That's why I'm a big fan of technical analysis, because I only use technical analysis. I don't use hype, I don't use speculation, I don't read the news. I don't even ask my wife. Pero mahal ko siya. Hindi ako guwapo, pero minahal niya ako. To summarize, number one, you need to invest right now. Number two, you buy companies that are growing and have dividends. If you are a long-term investor, and if you want to trade, you need to buy it when it makes sense. Did you learn a lot?
Yes.
So I'll end with this. This is my wife's dog. The sad thing is, 2 days ago, she passed away. So while she passed away, what we did, naghanap kami sa Instagram ng mga old pictures niya. While we were looking at Instagram, and we were looking at old photos, instead of looking at our dog's photo, I saw a photo of me. Old photo, 20 years ago. And people don't know, ako yun. This was me 20 years ago. Yeah. If ever I was playing a guitar, I used to be a bass player for a rock and rap band. We would sing Linkin Park and Creed songs. So, yung mga in the end, yung mga gano'n ako. Oh. Tapos nakita yung pantalon ko, I had bigger pants than that, hanggang dito ba? Pag naglalakad ako, linis na linis yung kalsada. But why am I saying this? 20 years ago, when I was in high school and about to enter college, I had no idea. I did not grow up in the stock market. I did not grow up knowing all of this. I did not. So if most of you are saying, wala akong alam sa stocks, hindi to tinuro sa akin, so did I. I never knew that I would invest. Why am I saying this to all of you? Take the time. Why did I want to invest? Alam ko, wala akong mamanahin. Oh, that I wanted that my ambition, my goal, was so big that I needed to take the time to learn and to hustle. And guess what? From here to where do you have goals? Yes or no?
Yes.
From here to here, where your goal is, you know what yung pinakakailangan nyo? From here to here, you know what it is? Do you want to know? For those who are saying, paano yan, wala akong capital. The distance between where you are and where your dreams are is hard work. When you don't have capital yet, the best capital that you can put in is your sweat. Is the fruits of your labor. Wala kayong paglagay sa stock market, work as much as you can. In the first 5 years of my life, yung sinasabi ni Rex na ginagawa ko yun. I didn't spend as much, but I worked 16 hours, 8, 9 hours working at my job. The next 5, 6, 7 hours up until night, I was working on my dreams. Because no one will work hard for your dreams than you. Your employer will take care of your financial security, but they will never take care of your financial freedom. In financial security, it's okay, it's safe. I quit my job more than 9 years ago. It was one of the best decisions I've ever made. Because why? It gave me the ability to unlock timing and do other things. The distance from here to here is time. That it's not about get rich quick. The fastest way for you to get rich is to do it slow and to do it right. Because if you do it slow and you do it right, it becomes wealth that lasting. It becomes wealth that you pwede yung pamana to the next generation. And that's what makes this amazing. From here to here, how much do you really want it? How much time are you willing to put? That people around you, they're not investing. They won't believe in what you're doing. That when everyone else does not believe in you, how much are you willing to put and invest and double down in your future? I hope you guys learned a lot. God bless you.